Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Noha and today I will present about our project which we were assigned to do a develop program using a C++ program. So first thing we want to talk about the purpose of this project summary, which our NFN motorcycle rental system is an efficient system that we provide the motorcycle rental service to our customers. So our system is suitable for all, regardless of their age, that are seeking for affordable motorcycle that not too pricey to rent. So we welcome our customers with an inviting message and warm message, and we will begin to display the list of available motorcycle for rent. So this will allow the customers to choose their motorcycle based on their budget and requirement. So our system will capture our customers' information, such as their name and their phone number. Then they will choose their motorcycle types that has their own price. Also, we provide a helmet for them to their safety. So 3 locations that we are present to our customers are Rompin, Jemput and Tampin with their own delivery charge. So we also add discounts for students, which we apply to our customers that has eligible criteria as a student. So after they select all the motorcycle type and all the information, they fulfill the information that needed. We will display the information at the end of the system, which we name as receipt and rental information. Next, the objective of our project are firstly is the customer support, which we provide customers with a fast delivery with a specified location, which are covered the Rompin, Tampin and Jemput, and we want to manage the delivery costs with each location. And secondly, we want an efficient booking system which allow customers to enter their booking information and rental helmet if they want. So this third, we want to calculate the overall cost based on various factors, and we will subtract this discount that applied to students. And for the last, we want to display overall of customers' information correctly and display the total amount of paid, the price after the discount at the end of the system, which is receipt.
Hi, my name is Nurlali Labiha and I will explain about the analysis of the code, which is the input, output and process. So the first one is the input in the code. There are 7 input altogether to make sure we collect input from the user correctly. The first one, we collect input name from the user. The user is asked to enter their name and may provide a string input. Next is phone number. The user is asked to enter their phone number as they can provide a string input such as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The program keeps any leading zeros by storing the phone number as a string data type. Next is motorcycle type. The user is asked to choose a motorcycle type by entering a character A, B or C. The character refers to the motorcycle type, which is A is for scooter, B is for popular and C is for standard. Next is student status. The user is asked to specify whether they are student or not by entering Y for yes and N for no. Next is location. The user is asked to choose the rental location by entering character R, J or T. The character refers to the location, which is R for Rompin, J for Jemput and T for Tampin. Next is helmet rental. the user is asked whether they want to rent a helmet or not by entering Y for yes or N for no. If Y is entered, the user is asked to specify the number of helmet they want to rent as integer. Next is input to rent another motorcycle. After each rental, the user is asked whether they want to rent another motorcycle or not by entering Y for yes or N for no. Next is the analysis of the process. There are 9 processes that will be processing in the code. Firstly is the process to display available motorcycle. The program starts by displaying the available motorcycle along with the details including the motor number, motor type, motor name, and price per day. For this one, use a statement in the code. Next is the process of rental information output. The program asks the user whether they want to rent a motorcycle or not, which is a Y or N, yes or no. If the user chooses to rent a motorcycle, Y, the program proceeds with the gathering rental information. We use while loop statement and the process will continue looping if the user enter Y, which is yes. Next is the process of rental information gathering. The program collects the following rental information from the user such as name, phone number, motorcycle type, student status, location, and helmet rental. Next is the process of price calculation. Based on the gathered rental information, the program calculates the total price of the rental, including motorcycle price, delivery price, helmet rental price, and student discount. Next is the process of sale calculation. The program calculates the highest sale of the day by finding the highest total price from all the rentals made. For this one, we use a statement to find the highest sale. Next is the process to display rental information. After each rental, the program displays the total price of the rental to the user. Next is the process to repeat or exit. The program asks the user if they want to rent another motorcycle, yes or no. If the user chooses to rent another motorcycle, which is yes, the process returns to the rental information gathering stage. Otherwise, the program exits the loop. Next is the process to display highest sale. After the user finishes renting motorcycle, the program displays the highest sale of the day, which is the maximum total price among all the rentals. Lastly is the process to display all rental information. The program then displays all the rental information collected during the process, including name, phone number, motorcycle type, location, and total price for each rental by using a statement. Next is the analysis of the output. Firstly, the program displays a list of available motorcycles with their details including motor number, motor type, motor name, and price per day. After each rental, the program calculates and displays the total price of the rental, including the motorcycle price, delivery price based on location, helmet rental price if applicable, and any student discount. After the user finishes renting motorcycle, the program displays the highest sale of the day, which is the maximum total price among all the rentals made. Lastly, at the end of the program, the complete rental information is displayed. This includes the name, phone number, motorcycle type, location, and total price for each rental made during the process. For this one, we use a statement to display all the rental information.
Next, we go to pseudocode. We start with the main function of pseudocode. Firstly, we will ask the user if they want to rent a motorcycle or not. If the answer is Y, basically this is where we get all the user's input. So we require 6 input from user. All the inputs are for calculate total or price. After that, we will ask user again if they want to rent another motorcycle or not. They can enter Y again and again if they want. And then we will stop this loop after users enter N. Lastly, we will calculate the highest to display the highest sale of the day. Next, price motor function. These functions are designed to calculate the price of a motorcycle based on its type. This is the motor type with their price. After determine the appropriate price, return the value of price M to the main function using the return statement. Next, price helmet function. Check the value of helmet. If user enter Y, set the price hash to 15 ringgit. After that, student discount function. The student discount function is designed to calculate the discount amount based on whether a user is a student or not. If user enter Y, this means user are eligible for 10% discount. If user enter N, there is no discount. Lastly, display total function. The display total function is intended to display information related to a customer's order. If if user enter the motor type other than A, B or C, invalid motorcycle type will be displayed. Also, if user enter location other than R, J or T, invalid location will be displayed. After that, display total price. Next, we go to flowchart. We start with ask the user if user want to rent a motorcycle or not. After that, read the user answer. If user enter N, we will stop the program. And if user enter Y, we will go through to ask their name, mobile phone number and other. After that, ask user if they want to rent helmet or not. If user enter N, we will set price as 0. If user enter Y, we will calculate helmet price. Next, we will calculate all the price to get the total price. Then, we will ask user again if user want to rent another motorcycle or not. If user enter Y, the program will repeat again, and if user enter N, the looping will stop. Next, price motor function. Each type of motorcycle which is A, B and C has been set with its own price. Next, price delivery function. This also same like price motor function. Each location which is R, J and T has been set with its own price. Next, price helmet function. If user enter Y, the price will be set as 25 ringgit. Then, student discount function. If user enter Y, discount will be set as 10% and if user enter N, discount is 0. Lastly, display total function. Customer's name and phone number will be displayed. If user enter motor type other than A, B or C, invalid motorcycle type will be displayed. Also, if user enter location other than R, J and T, invalid location will be displayed. And lastly, total price will be displayed.
Lastly, this is the sample of the output from our program. I hope our explanation is clear and understandable. That's all from us. Thank you.